Okay, welcome to Invalid Entry. I know it's late. It is the 16th of December. It is 9 o'clock at night, so I am well behind on my... I thought, I'd pre-record all these and it'd be easy. It is late, but I accept that. I don't care. I've been having fun. I don't know, I'm working. So, I'm going to do two libraries today, because they're both tiny and they're both so related I couldn't decide which one to use. I don't know which one's good. I don't know if these are good libraries or not, but they are certainly interesting. So one is called Emoji and one is called Emot. Okay, just roll with me here. Okay, so if you're a gentleman of a certain age like me, I just don't get them. Honestly, I don't. I was perfectly happy, I grew up. My parents were old school programmers, like punch card programmers, and they taught me that this is a happy face, and you put it on the end of your code, and you turn sideways, and it looks like a happy face. So I would get really annoyed when my things turn from that into actually, Unicode emoticons. Anyway, so import emot obj equals emot.core.emot. Bit of a weird object to initialize. Then you have some text. Maybe you've nicked this from Discord. You've got a Discord bot or something, and you've got your wonderful, wonderful daughters who send you messages. I'm just going to open up my Discord. They send you messages like this, which is "I love unicorns." There you go. Thank you for loving unicorns. And it's like, well, I may not know what this is. Maybe it's from Discord and you want to process that. What Emot allows you to do is you can do Emot. You use the Emot object that you just created there, dot emoji, and then the text you want to convert, and it gives you an object back where it identifies inside of that where the emoji's where. It's a bit of a weird layout. If I had done this, I think I'd given you like a dictionary of emojis and their location is each one. But basically I've got a red heart and a unicorn, so I can then start to work out they are. It can actually do emoticons as well. So if I do text equals yay, this is great, like that, and I do emot obj.emoticons text, I get back an understanding of what those things are. So it actually identified the emoticons in here and told me what they are. Works really nicely. It's like a micro NLP type application for emoticons. So it's kind of cool, especially if you want to write Discord bots or Twitter bots or things like that, or messaging applications where people are giving you free text, especially young people or my mum. Or anyone that isn't me, really. To be quite honest, it's just this lets me understand what the hell people are talking about. On to the other thing, and I just broke everything there. I apologise. On to the other thing. The other one is the emoji library. So the emoji library is very similar. Emoji. And what the emoji library though is you can basically do emoji.emojize. I love invalid entry. Thumbs up, like that. And it will actually convert those into those. Okay? You can also convert them backwards. So you can do emoji.demojize. Put that in there without the extra quote marks. I need those, and it will convert it back into those. So it's quite hard. It's quite good. You can also pass it in like variants and languages and all kinds of stuff. It actually can port this, so you can actually say I want to do it in different languages, and because obviously it's not thumbs up in Portuguese, it's other things. And it's nice. So if you have free text or you want to store this in a database which doesn't allow Unicode, you might use this to then convert text input into something which could be stored in something which is a little bit less safe. And that's it. So there's two different libraries. This is more for like language processing type things to work out what's being said. This is more for storing, serializing and deserializing things with emoticons on. It doesn't actually tell you if it did swap anything, which I think is a bit of a shame. Whereas this one allows you to identify what they are and where they are in the string. But yeah, it is what it is. It's One for the cooler people than me, I'm afraid. Anyway, that's it. Today is the 15th of December. No, it's not. It's the 16th of December. And we're doing 24 videos in 24 days, and we're 16 videos through, so it's going well. But please hit like, please hit subscribe, and please check out the videos are appearing over here, or all the way over there, all the way over there. If there's other libraries, some are a lot more serious, like Requests and It's Dangerous and things like that. And the other ones are much more trivial, like Turtles and some of those things. And like the emoji library, they're just fun things to play with. Or sometimes these are useful in different contexts, especially doing language processing. Anyway, I will see you all in the next episode.